I flag makes a match case insensitive in regular expression. So when you pass the I flag as part of your expression, so it makes it case insensitive. So A B C slash I matches small letter A B C, capital A, small letter B, and capital C, and all caps ABC. So an example that we're going to be considering is right here on the screen. So let me pull up my code editor so that we can look at the example together. So here we're talking about the regex expression and trying to do a case insensitive, not global here. Insensitive search. I'm just going to make a variable. It's a JavaScript. It's a faster type programming language. And so this way, for this case sensitivity, so I can just pass in the flag first. This way, you can see it. So I've passed the I flag here. And so having done this, then I can use the search method that I made earlier. Goes to text.match, and I'll pass in the variable where I've passed the flag. And now I can get out the results. So is there anything changing? What if I refresh? Yeah, you can see JavaScript. So the I flag, which is this place. So this is where the I flag is being used for the case insensitive search. You can see that the word I want to search for is what is passed here with the flag. And after that is the text and the method, the match pattern. The text dot match, the method. And what did I pass in? What I wanted to flag is what I passed in as a parameter, and here I'm getting the output as a result. So even though if I have two of these, JavaScript. Now, you notice that it will only pick the first one and give it as a response, and it will ignore as many as possible that you have inside your expression. So moving on from that, we can talk about the rexep meta characters. Meta characters are characters with a special meaning. So when you hear about meta characters, they are simply characters with a special meaning. So they can be used to match digits, words, spaces, and more. So meta characters can be used for the purpose of matching digits, words, spaces, and more. So these are the most common in JavaScript language. So the first one is /d. The /d can be used as a meta character that can be used to match digits. The /w can be used to match words, and the /s can be used to match space. So going forward from here, I want to quickly show an example of how the /d as a meta character can be used to match digits. Let's take a look at an example. So here, we want to do a global search as well. A global So I want to do a global search for digits in my string. Don't forget we are talking about meta character D, meta character /2. So let's go on and make our variable. Let's text equals to the 100% your dream and which then come true. So now with this variable that I have and my expression, I want to do two things. The number one thing is that I want to use a meta character /t to do a global search for digits, which means that I'm going to need the /d as well as the g for a global search and for digit search. So you can see the way the flag is being passed on to my expression. So if you take a look at this now, let's get out the output document dot get element by ID. What can you see? You can see 100, which means that it is picking the values that I have here 1, 0, and 0. And you can see it on the screen. So this is how you use the meta character /t in order to search for digits in your string. Don't forget that what you have here, this is a string. You can see the double quote, and inside it is a text expression. So this is all, at the end of the day, a string. So it is used to search for a digit in a string, which means that your expression must first be a string. And then what the /t will look for, the meta character will now look for the numbers or the digits inside your string.